Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, which will be available starting September 4, 2025. The tablet carries a thin and lightweight armor aluminum design, combining portability with durability. It will be offered in 3 different finishes. On the front, users get a 10.9-inch display with vision booster technology and blue light reduction for eyes comfort. It also supports a 90Hz refresh rate, delivering smoother scrolling and clear visual. Powering the device is Samsung Exynos 1380 chipset, which supports multitasking and split-screen productivity. The tablet comes up with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and support for microSD expansion up to 2TB. In terms of endurance, the 8000 mAh battery promises up to 16 hours of video playback, with a support for fast charging when it's time to recharge. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite also includes software features like Samsung Note with Matte Solver and handwriting help to clean up notes. An S Pen is included in the box, allowing handwriting, sketching, and creative text. Samsung confirmed that the device is compatible with several accessories including book cover keyboard slim, smart book cover, and anti-reflecting screen protector. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite appears to target users looking for a balance of performance, portability, and productivity at a more accessible price point. It officially launched on September 4, 2025. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see another update.